Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to rig this. Okay, it's a rigging exercise and you will learn a lot of things. So let's start. So this is my default scene. Select this, press uh, uh, Control I, X and delete it. So what I want to do, select this, press S, Y, how much? 6. Now select this, press tab, press Control R and add 2 loop cuts. Press 7, press S, Y, 0.5. Go to the face selection mode, select this face and press uh, EX5. Select this, press EX minus 5. Sorry, EX, wait a minute, EX minus 5. So this is how I got my this shape. Now, how to do the rigging of it? That is the most important question. So before I start, what I will do, select this, press G, set 1. Now, what I will do, I will click on add, click on armature. I'm not able to see my armature. Click on here, basically object properties. Click on visibility, sorry, viewport display. Click on in front. Now I'm able to see it and make it wire. Select this, press G, X, minus 6. Press tab, select this and press shift D, G, X 12. Select this and click on individual origins. Select this R, Y, 90. Select this R, R, Y, minus 90. Uh, Now I have to give them some naming. So name very carefully. Okay. So how should I give them name? That's the main question because when I do letter onwards, I need the correct naming. So here what I will do, I will select this and I will type F2 and give it a name. I will type 1 because it's my first born. Where it is situated? It is situated in left side. So I will type L, that means left. And I will type C because it's child born. I am going to parent it to someone. So what I will do, I will select this born. Okay, and by pressing shift select this one, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset. Okay, now we select this, press F2. I will type 2 because my second born. Press R because it is my right side. Press P because it is a parent one. So if I go to my pose mode, if I select this, press R, Y, notice that the bone moves. But if I rotate this one, rotate along Y, nothing happening. So this is basically what I want. Now go to the edit mode. Uh, Click on add single bone. Select this bone, press G, set, and I think 5 is fine. I will give this pawn name controller because this is how I'm going to control this pawn. Okay, so I give it name as controller. Now what I want, if I move this to X direction, I want that this rotate. Similarly, if I move to this direction, I want that these things rotate. So how can I do that? So what I will do, I will select this pawn, go to the pose mode, click on constraints. What I want to do, I want to do basically a transformation. What is my target? Select this armature, select the controller one. Okay, what I want to do, so basically what I want, if I move this bone to this direction, it rotates how much? 90 degree. So I'm mapping from this one. What is the minimum and maximum value? The minimum value is -1 and the maximum value is 0. What I want to do, I want to rotate along what? Y-axis. Okay, and from where I'm taking the input, I'm taking the x input from global x-axis. X-axis, how much I want. I want to rotate 90 to 0. Let's see if it's working or not. G, X. Okay, it's working, but I think my X is wrong. Select this, type -90. So if I select this, press G, X, notice it can go up to 90 degree, nothing more for above. That is basically what I want. Now, next thing, select this one, go here, click on transformation, click on armature. From where I'm taking the input, controller, what I want, transformation. So the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1, and map to 0 to 90 degree again, and y-axis, source is x, 0 to 90 degree. If I press this G, X, notice it is rotating. A question might come in mind that I have typed 0 to 1 here, but in this case I type -1 to 0. Why? Because of coordinate system. You see, this side is positive and this side is negative. Because of that consideration, I have typed this. Now, what I will do, I will click on here, click on uncheck this. Select this one by pressing shift, select this one by pressing shift, select this bond. Okay, I select this, press Ctrl P, click on bond. Now watch carefully what will happen. If I select this G, X, it will go this side, but if I move this side, so I already get something. Okay, now let's make two more. So what I will do, I will go to my edit mode. uh, you can see these bones are already here, so I will look for a view where it is not. So 7, okay, 3 is fine for me. So I will click on here, add single bone. What I want to do, I want to rotate along y-axis, how much, -90 degree. Press G, y, how much, it is 6. Select this, press shift D, G, Y, 12. Okay, it's go back side. So press Control Z, G, Y, -12. Press Control Z. Press shift D, enter, G, Y, -12. Select this thing, press S, Y, -1. We can also see that how many bones are there. So we have correct one, so don't have to worry about. Now I have to create again a child bond relationship. So select this bond, press F2. So this is the right side and this is third bond. So I will type 3 right C, third bond, uh, right side, and this child. Okay, it is a child, but uh, press F2, parent child, PC. Okay, why PC? The reason is that, remember that I have a one more bond at uh, 2 RP. Okay, so I click on 2 RP by pressing shift and select this, press Ctrl P, keep offset. So what actually happened, so if I move this bone here, because of this bone it will move its up. Don't worry, when I will do the animation you will realize what I mean. Similarly, select this bone by pressing shift, select this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. Select this one, press F2 and type fourth, because the fourth bone left, and this is the parent bone. Now let's try to do constraint thing. So click on here, pause mode, select this thing. What I want to do transformation, armature, controller. Now watch carefully. So I'm talking about y-axis. This axis is positive. So y 0 to 1. What I want to rotate. Rotate what? In my case, this is x-axis. Notice this x. So I'm going to rotate along x-axis. And where I'm taking the input, I'm taking from y-axis. How much I want to rotate? 90 degree. Let's see if it is working or not. Select this G, Y. Okay, it's working, but wrong direction. Select this and type minus that. Similarly, select this one and add a transformation and controller. What I'm taking from y minus 1 to 0, and what I want take the from here, rotate basically, and 0 to 90. Okay, 90 to 0, I guess. 90 to 0. So if I select this one, press G, Y, okay, it's rotating a little bit wrong. Why it's rotate wrong? G, Y. Viewport display. Okay, let's see what's the issue. G, is it taking what access? Okay, for this one only, I will going to use its local space for both one. So I will see from X, Y, Z axis from here, and make sure that you go here and select X, Y, Z. So I will select this one, constraints. So I move from Z axis here. Okay. So I will type minus 1, make it 0, make it X, 0. And what I'm going to rotate, I'm rotating along this uh, Z axis. Let's see how that. So let's see if it's working or not. G, Y. Okay, it's moving, but notice this is some weird issue. I think the issue is because of the bone uh, I made it in a wrong way. So I will select this. I will go to the edit mode, select this bone, press X and delete this bone. I will add a new bone, press G, Y, sorry, select this, G, Y, minus 6, press R, X, minus 90. It's good to see my mistakes because you will learn something. Cramming everything is not a good thing. I personally like to learn someone from mistakes. So I will select this one and let's try the our constraints, transformation, armature, controller, map from file location, uh, 0 to 1, uh, minus 1 to 0, sorry, minus 1 to 0. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate along what? X-axis, from where I'm taking Y, how much I want to rotate, uh, 90, select this, GY, yep, it's working. Now everything looks good. Let's change the controller shape little bit. Let's add empty here, so click on add and empty like my life. So GZ, select this, go to the pose mode. So if I select this bone, go here, viewport display, custom object. So I will select this empty. Okay, and now I can delete this. So let's see what happens. So if I select this, press G, X, and if I press G, Y, let's try to do one cool thing. I don't know if it's work or not. Let's add a simple circle here, scale it up, G, Z, let's be there. Select this and This is armature. Select this and click on follow path. Select the bezier circle. Click on animate path. Click on play. Okay, I just was trying how does it look like. It's not giving the output that I desired. So cancel this. So yeah, you can see that how does it look like. So in that way you can make this custom bond rigging GX GY. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, and if you want the project files, check out the link in description. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.